We are going to create a Python script that looks inside your downloads folder and automatically move files into appropriate folders. So instead of manually organizing hundreds of files, Python does it automatically. So the very first step after creating a Python file is to import the required libraries. We will be using two libraries in this project. The first one is path and second one is shutil. Let's import both libraries. So we will be using from pathlib and import path, and second one is shutil. So the first one, path, helps us work with Windows files and folder paths, and shutil provides functions for moving files. And the second step is to find the downloads folder. So for a simple Windows setup, we can simply say, for example, let me declare a variable downloads equals to, so we will simply provide path dot home and brackets, and then we will simply use forward slash and then space, and then we will simply specify downloads folder, and let me print download, so to make sure we are at the right folder. Let's execute the code, and we got the path, that is users, vessel, and downloads. Step 3 is to create a category. So for that we will define the folders we want. So for example, let me create a dictionary for that. Folders equals to, and inside a folder we will simply specify folder names and their extensions. Images colon, and we'll simply specify now their extensions. So for images we have to specify JPG, each and every extension of the image dot JPEG. The third one is for example PNG, and the fourth one is GIF, and that's it. And now we'll create a folder for videos colon and list it dot mp4, and the next one is dot avi. Third one should be dot mkv, and the fourth one is dot mov. That's it. And let me create now folder for documents. Now let's specify their extensions. The first one is most common PDF. Second one is docx docs. Third one is doc. The fourth one is .txt. That's it for documents. And we got now audio files. For audio we have .mp3. Second one should be .wav, and third one is .flac, and I guess this is the most uncommon extension. And fifth one is zip files. And the zip contains different, there like .zip, and second one is .rar. Third one is 7v. That's it. So the dictionary basically connects each folder with the file extension that belongs there. Now we will create the folders automatically that are defined inside the folder variable. So for that, let me use a for folder in folders, and we will use folder path folder path is equals to downloads forward slash and folder. So each folder will be created, and folder path dot make directory, and the main part is this exist underscore OK is equals to true. So if the folder doesn't exist, Python creates it, and if the folder already exists, Python does not produce any error. The next step is to find the file. So we will look at everything inside the downloads folder, and for that we have to use a for loop for file in downloads dot iter directory. So here with this iter directory basically finds or looks for files and folders inside the downloads directory. And the next is, how do we find any for file extension? So for that we have to simply use file dot suffix is a function that is used to find the extension of the file. So now we will combine everything. So first we have to check for the file. So if the file is present inside the downloads folder, then we'll try to get the extension and move that files into the specific folder. So if we don't provide a check here, the Python will basically move the folders as well. So we don't want to move the folders, we just want to move the file. So for that, let me say for file dot is underscore file, and that's it. And then we'll simply provide, we'll try to get the extension. Extension is equals to file dot suffix dot lower. So we want to make it to every extension want to make it to lower, so that we don't get any unexpected errors later. That's why. And now we will try to loop through folder and extensions, and in folders dot items, and if extension in extensions, and we want to make this extension, and now if we do, it will not provide any error. And then if extension is an extension, then we will take destination equals to downloads forward slash folder forward slash file name, and that's it. And then we will try to move the files using shutil dot move. So move is a built-in function for that file, and then destination, that's it. And then you'll simply print moved file dot name, let's remove this because file dot name, now we are correct. File dot name, and then we want to display the folder, that's it, and the closing brackets, that's it. And the last thing is to break it, and that's it. Now before running it on your real downloads folder, I recommend creating a test folder such as Python automation test, and put some files inside it. For example, let's say photos, videos, PDF files, MP3 and zip, and then change your direction from downloads to test automation test. So this lets you safely test the automation before using it on your important files. And once the basic version works, improve it by adding Excel files, PowerPoint, Python, CSV, programs, unknown extensions, others. That turns this beginner project into a much more complete Windows file organizer.